What's the meaning of bling-bling? Bling-bling. Bling-bling.
Bling-bling. Bling-bling. The term bling-bling is slang that refers to flashy, ostentatious, or expensive jewelry and accessories. It is often used in hip-hop culture and has become popularized in mainstream media. The term originated from the sound made by jewelry clanging together. Bling-bling can include anything from diamond-encrusted watches and necklaces to shiny gold chains and rings. It is a symbol of wealth and status and is often associated with materialism and extravagance. While bling-bling may be seen as a positive expression of success and luxury by some, others may view it as tacky or vulgar. Overall, the term has become widely recognized and is often used colloquially in modern vernacular.